Huh? 6. Oh, what happened? Are you itchy?
She gave it up.
Oh, she got something on her stomach and piercing.
Yep. She probably got her own fucking, watch out with the floors,